Hi guys, today I'll be talking about how I use hienna on my hair for length retention. I have a type 4 combination low porosity hair should in case you want to know. So keep watching. Before anything, just go ahead and subscribe, like, comment and share. I will really appreciate it. For this recipe, I'll be using a half cup of hienna powder, extra veggie oil, lavender essential oil, and hot water. At the other hand, I also have my conditioning treatment. Half cup of ayumi hienna powder into a bowl. I add my olive oil, lavender essential oil, and I mix together. So I also use hot water. Yeah, why I use hot water? Because I find it is really easy to mix properly with hot water. So that's how I mix till I have the consistency that I want. I want it creamy because I don't want my mask to be running away from my hair, you know what I mean. So that will also help to control the mess. Henna is really like messy if you don't handle it with care. You don't want your bathroom to turn color, to change colors, and all of the stuff. So just keep on watching. It is really easy to use. So I also add my conditioning treatment. Yeah, I'm going for this is what I want. So it's really helpful and it's going to help my hair. So that's why I'm adding my conditioning treatment. So guys, just keep watching till the end. Henna really helps in strengthening and thinning your hair, and it's kind of a protein treatment. So if you know you are protein sensitive, don't just go there, just keep it. So this conditioning is not, I'm not going to use it right away, so I'm going to keep it for some time, like from 12 to 24 hours. That is what I'm going to do, and it's ready to be used. It's very easy to make. The conditioning treatment and olive oil is going to help in hydrating my hair. I don't want my hair to be dry because henna can really dry off your hair. The oil and conditioning treatment can prevent your hair from breaking. Okay, if you like, you can add honey, egg, any other ingredients that can hydrate your hair. I keep on mixing mine, and once it's creamy and the creamy is okay, the consistency that I want is okay, I will just go ahead and keep for 24 hours like I said earlier. So I cover it, and this is it. This is the next day. My hair is already washed and ready to be applied, and that is it. First, like I said, I've already shampooed my hair. I'm applying on a clean hair. You can use gloves. Yeah, I'm using it without putting on my gloves, guys, because I'm used to using my hands and I totally forgot, and I just go ahead and dip my hands in there. But yeah, I later realized that I'm using my bare hands on it, so I had to use a glove after my half of my hair was already done. So please don't do that if you don't want your hands to be, you don't want those colors to remain on your fingers and your hands. So you can just go ahead and put on your gloves. So henna is also a natural dye. Okay, so don't if you don't want your hair, if you want those gray colors to change, you can just keep on using henna. You understand? So it's a natural dye. Okay, so just try it before you use it. Okay, so now just go ahead and apply on my hair section by section. You can see as I'm applying, I'm detangling. I don't want my hair to be like, that struggles when you want to restart your hair. After rinsing out, you find that your hair is really matte. So I don't want that. So after applying, I'll just go ahead and put them on twist. Yes, because this is really helping me. Putting my hair on in sessions there is really helping me. So tangle free, and also the ingredients, the treatment can penetrate to my hair easily without even strongly. Just keep on watching.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Got Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be